Welcome to ZaranTech. This presentation on the Snowflake Certification Release Concept. I will be walking you through an overview of Snowflake's certification release process today. Before we dive in, I want to cover a few quick disclaimers. The information provided in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Please be sure to comply with all applicable copyright laws. No part of this presentation may be reproduced, stored, or transmitted without permission. Images used are for example purposes only. In this video we will cover an introduction to Snowflake certifications, different release types, Snow Pro exam weightage breakdown, re-release testing and validation, stage releases, early access to new releases. We'll have some time for Q&A at the end. And I'll share some useful documentation links. Let's start with a quick introduction. The Snow Pro Core certification demonstrates an individual's expertise in implementing and migrating to the Snowflake Cloud Data Platform. It covers a candidate's ability to apply core Snowflake features and functionalities. The certification exam validates skills like configuring and managing Snowflake accounts, loading, transforming, and securing data, designing and developing Snowflake warehouses for optimal performance, and more. Earning the Snow Pro Core certification is a great way to showcase Snowflake expertise. Snowflake has two main release types: major new releases and patch releases. Major new releases introduce significant new features, improvements, and updates. These are typically quarterly. Patch releases provide bug fixes, tweaks, and minor enhancements between major releases. These are more frequent, like weekly or monthly. The Snow Pro exam covers a variety of topics, each with a certain weightage. This slide breaks down the percentage of exam questions from each major domain. As you can see, the highest weighted sections are on Snowflake architecture, virtual warehouses, and security, together accounting for over 50% of exam content. With each Snowflake release, thorough testing and validation takes place, including regular build testing, full regression testing, end-to-end suite testing, continuous workload and performance benchmarking. This ensures new releases remain stable, efficient, and backwards compatible. Before a major new release, it first goes through a staged rollout. This involves early access for designated enterprise accounts to test new features, then expanded availability to all enterprise accounts. Finally, general access for all editions and accounts. This staged approach allows for controlled release and feedback. For early access to new releases, Enterprise Edition accounts can contact Snowflake support to be granted access during the initial testing period. This allows key customers to validate and provide input on new capabilities before general availability. Let's pause here for any questions you may have before moving to the documentation links. Here are some useful links for further reading on Snowflake releases and certifications. To recap, in this presentation we covered Snowflake certification program and exam details, major versus patch release types, the staged rollout process for new capabilities, and resources for staying up to date on Snowflake releases. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe our channel to get more informative videos.